The imperative is a form Germans use to give commands, instructions, advice, and requests. You'll hear it all the time, especially in everyday speech. I'll explain it clearly and at an A1 level with lots of examples. Let's dive in. What is the German imperative? The imperative is used to tell someone to do something, like sit down, listen, come here. In German, the imperative is very direct and often shorter than in English. The imperative for du. Let's look at this one first. This is the most common form. Du is informal you. So let's look at how we're going to form it. We're going to take the verb stem, take off the st, and then drop the subject du. So du kommst becomes komm, come. Some verbs add an e for pronunciation, like arbeite or rede. And both forms are correct. Sometimes spoken German will drop the e though. Depends on the context. Let's look at common everyday examples. Komm rein, come in, warte, wait, hör zu, listen, guck mal, look, sag es mir, tell me, mach die Tür zu, close the door, hau ab, get away, geh nach Hause, go home. Now let's look at the imperative for ihr, you plural. We're going to use the present tense form, dropping the ihr. So ihr kommt her becomes kommt her, come here, all of you. Let's look at a few more examples. Hört zu, listen everybody. Macht bitte leise, please be quiet. Kommt heute pünktlich, be on time today. And finally, the imperative for Sie formal. We're going to use this with strangers, bosses, and officials. We're going to use the verb plus Sie, so the other way around from usual. The verb will come first instead of second. So kommen Sie bitte rein, please come in. Warten Sie einen Moment, please wait a minute. Hören Sie gut zu, please listen carefully. This form sounds polite but firm in German. Finally, let's look at the imperative with bitte, please. Bitte can add a little bit of softness to our commands and make them sound more polite. For example, komm bitte her, please come here. Bitte setzen Sie sich, please sit down. Now let's test out what you learned with a little story. We'll practice the imperative in sentences that you might use at a house party. Kommt rein, come in everybody. Zieht die Schuhe aus, take your shoes off. Setz dich, sit down. Steh auf, stand up. Komm mit, come along. Geh ruhig rein, go ahead inside. Mach die Musik an, turn the music on. Tanzt, dance. Mach die Musik lauter, turn the music up. Mach die Musik leiser, turn the music down. Leg das nächste Lied auf. Put the next song on. Tanzt mit uns. Dance with us. Komm auf die Tanzfläche. Come to the dance floor. Iss etwas. Eat something. Hab Spaß. Have fun. Bedien dich. Help yourself. Nimm dir etwas zu trinken. Grab something to drink. Probier das mal. Try this. Iss noch etwas. Eat a bit more. Trink langsam. Drink slowly. Hol dir ein Glas. Get yourself a glass. Sprich lauter. Speak louder. Komm her. Come here. Hör mal zu. Listen. Erzähl weiter. Keep talking. Sag das nochmal. Say it again. Sprich langsamer. Speak slower. Sprich deutlicher. Speak more clearly. Sprich mit meinem Freund. Talk to my friend. Seid ruhig. Be quiet, everyone. Hört damit auf. Stop that. Komm schon. Come on. Mach schneller. Go faster. Los jetzt. Let's go now. Komm schnell. Come quickly. That's it, German learners. That's all there is to the German imperative form. Make sure you abonnierst, subscribe for new videos. And remember to visit mygermanizelife.com for your free German learning resources, flashcards, audio recordings, and interactive exercises. Complete the full A1 course on YouTube and get a certificate once it's finished. Watch video 8 next, or start at the beginning of this course if you haven't already. Bis nächstes Mal. Auf Wiedersehen.